and welcome everybody. BBIG stock on December. So let's see that was the steps in the price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. So if we go for 15 months update, so let's see that with consideration. If we wanted to go for the last price that it has reached since it was on 23 December in November here, and it was on the level of this level 67 cents, and it reached about here 72 cents. So that is going to be an increase in momentum next time, and that can make such a good difference between such a level and another level. And that's what can I say about surprise that may happen due to the movements that can be done on BBIG. And then this would be the decrease in momentum, and the decrease in momentum would happen and then increase. Okay, and that's what can I think about the BBIG as a first price prediction that will be happen here, and then it would increase in momentum, and then this going to be here, increase in momentum.